Fire Defense brass-gated Y-valve fire hydrant splitter. Empower your wildfire defense with professional-grade control. The ACE Fire Defense brass-gated Y-valve is precision-engineered to transform a single 2.5-inch fire hydrant outlet into two independently controlled 1.5-inch lines, perfect for deploying multiple ACE Fire Defense BMF XL 1.5-inch heavy-duty fire hoses simultaneously. Designed for high-stakes emergency response, this heavy-duty splitter features 2.5-inch NH-NST female inlet for seamless connection to standard fire hydrants, dual 1.5-inch NH male gated outlets with full-flow individual shutoff valves for precise water management, rugged solid brass construction built to withstand extreme heat, pressure, and demanding conditions. No cheap imports here. Lever-style handles for quick, gloved hand operation. Whether you're defending your home's front and back perimeters against wind-driven embers, supporting CERT teams, or setting up multi-line operations in wildfire-prone areas, this valve delivers reliable, firefighter-trusted performance. Key benefits for fire preparedness: divide and conquer. Run two powerful 1.5-inch hoses at once for faster coverage and ember suppression. Built for the real world, meets the demands of wildfire urban interface, WUI, defense, structure protection, and rapid deployment. Lifetime durability. Solid brass body with expert engineering for long-term reliability. Pair it with our BMF XL 1.5-inch NFPA 1962 compliant fire hoses for a complete pro-grade setup. Ready to get started? Visit acefiredefense.com for free training videos that walk you through hydrant hookup, valve operation, hose deployment, and effective wildfire defense strategies. Protect what matters most with tools engineered by wildfire experts. ACE Fire Defense, firefighter-grade gear for homeowners who refuse to be helpless. Order your brass-gated Y-valve today and take control of your fire defense plan.